Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download BlueStacks in Windows 10 and or 11. So from Chrome, you just have to go to the search bar up here, search up BlueStacks. Now you see it'll come up like this. You can install whichever one you want. I'm just going to go with BlueStacks 5. There is a one called BlueStacks 10, but that uses cloud gaming because they're trying to make it better. I'm just going to stick with BlueStacks 5. Just click on this button here, the big blue button. Now it'll say it'll be downloading like this. Now open it up, click on run. Again, wait for it to load, click on yes. Now it'll say checking your system like this. Click on update. I already have BlueStacks, so for me it says update, but for you it'll say install. Click on agree, and then it'll just say downloading like this. You can just wait for it to finish. It's pretty fast for me, so I just have to skip a little bit ahead. It's almost done. Now I'll say it'll have another download bar ready as well. So let's just wait for this download bar to complete as well. Once it's done downloading, it might say this folder here. It'll say checking system requirement, and then it'll say extracting files like this. Again, let's just wait for it to finish real quick. After the bar is finished, it might automatically open like this. There you go. But basically, that is all there is to the steps of installing BlueStacks on your Windows. You can now use BlueStacks freely and it's installed on your Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.